Next, in this exercise, we are going to complete using these words. Toujours, ne jamais. So, toujours means always, ne jamais is never. Quelquefois, quelquefois is sometimes. De temps en temps, that is from time to time. And souvent means often. So now we are going to use these words in sentences. In this exercise, we have two people, Leo and Marco. Now they are different. These Leo and Marco sont different. So they have different characters. So they are the opposite of each other. So in the first sentence we have Léo utilise toujours son téléphone portable. So Léo always uses son téléphone portable. So what would be the opposite of toujours? It would be never, ne jamais. So ne before the verb utilise, jamais son téléphone portable. So the opposite of toujours is ne jamais. Ne before the verb and jamais after the verb. The next sentence, Léo regarde de temps en temps la télévision from time to time. So here also you can say Marco never watches. Ne regarde pas la télévision. Ne regarde, not pas, here we use jamais. La télévision. Or you can also say Marco regarde, instead of the temps en temps, you can use the word quelquefois. It means sometimes. Quelquefois la télévision. Marco watches sometimes the television. And finally, in this sentence, Léo arrive souvent en retard. Léo comes late often. So what would be the opposite of that? We can use de temps en temps. So Léo arrive de temps en temps en retard. Léo arrive de temps en temps en retard. So we have used some words here. So these are words which we will need often. Toujours, always. Ne jamais, never. Quelquefois, sometimes. De temps en temps, from time to time. Souvent, often. So Leo and Marco are two different people. So in the first sentence, toujours, always. So the opposite of that would be never. Ne jamais. Ne before the verb and jamais after the verb. In the next sentence, the expression used is de temps en temps. So you can either use ne jamais or quelquefois. And finally, in the last sentence, souvent, often. So you can replace that with de temps en temps. So we did this exercise to learn these new words. So these are words that we will be using often in speaking. Toujours, jamais, quelquefois, de temps en temps, souvent. So remember these words. It will be useful while framing sentences.